Guys and gals, welcome to a new episode, and we are today at Apex. In Paris. And yes, this is a designed short track for street moto, go-karts, you name it. We had a blast today. So there's lots of footage, and right off the bat,
I am not that good.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
I just did it. This is my first time on a track, and I went with my buddy, Racer X.
Racer X, whom Speed does not know, is his missing older...
And he taught me a thing or two. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, let's see. Now is it? Okay. Okay, guys and gals. First time on a track for a street bike. And this is going to be a very basic run for me. I am definitely no pro.
This guy sucks.
Trust me on that one. But you know what, if you guys ever wanted to see what a track kind of looks like, very tight, that especially on a 600, that's the problem with this thing. This thing is more designed for a 300 4. work on my left. I need to work on everything.
Help me!
Ah, that was horrible.
You're old!
Horrible turn. Horrible turn again.
Wanted to thank you all again for watching this episode. Please, if you can, it would really be much appreciated if you could leave that big, huge like and sub. I'd really like that. But anyways, thank you so much again, guys and gals. I have more footage of my day at Apex that post later. And until then, guys, ride smart, be smart, don't do drugs, and have a wonderful day. See y'all later. Bye.